I was better off not giving y'all a review this week. This is an out week. This is a really bad week. Hey everyone, welcome back to another crumble review. Let's start off with the obvious. I am a couple days late. I'm posting this on Wednesday and I'm recording this Tuesday night. So I live in Buffalo, if you don't know, and I know y'all seen all the crazy snowstorm or whatever. So there was a crazy snowstorm, and I'm over here thinking like Monday regular schedule programming, which it kind of was, but Uber Eats is down for mad long days prior to it. Long story short, Crumble wasn't like coming to my crib. They don't come to my crib, but you know, delivering to my crib, and I couldn't get the review out for y'all. And if you're asking why didn't I just go there, good question. My boyfriend was working, so I would have to post it late night, and we ended up going on night because I'm about to move, and it's just like a whole crazy process, but we got it now. Okay, we're going straight to review. I'm gonna tell y'all my mystery. I ain't gonna lie, with all these delays too, I wasn't really feeling this week lineup at all. Shout out to y'all who watch me from TikTok, because I know y'all was rocking with y'all girl like that, and when I posted like, oh, I'm not gonna drop it, I had people liking my video and stuff like that. I'm like, oh, y'all fuck with me, stink a lot. So my mystery cookie, first of all, my mystery cookie looks so bad. It looked like fucking Captain Crunch. I'm about to see what my mystery cookie is. Oh, the mystery is only from Monday through Wednesday. I did not know that. My mystery cookie is Berry Crunch, and we're about to just start with my mystery cookie. Honestly, it just looks like a Captain Crunch cookie, and it feels like one too. Ooh, I think it is Captain Crunch. Look at the bag. The bag look mad weird. I hate living on the first. I hate living on the first floor because I hear people walking by and it made me think that somebody's breaking in. But we're gonna try this one first. I'm so scared. So we're gonna try this one first, and this is how the cookie's looking like. Excited. Now, no, we're gonna start doing this thing where I jinx the rating before I actually do it. I think I'm gonna give this one a solid 4. I was thinking 4 or 6. I think a 4. Comment down below y'all predictions on my ratings on each cookie so we can tune into the conversation. Cornbread with spoiled milk and syrup on top. I don't know if that's a valid understanding. That was disgusting. It really tastes like a cornbread, which is like throwing me off because I feel like somebody's watching me. I'm gonna close the window. I'm back, and I closed the window because I feel like somebody was watching me and was hearing me, and I don't like that. No sneak peeks for no one. Nah, but that cookie was bad. It just, what was that? Like, I don't know. I just was not feeling that cookie at all. It tastes like cornbread, and I feel like that threw me off because isn't that supposed to be a cereal cookie? So why in the fuck it tastes like cornbread? Come on. Can't believe it. Just looked weird too. I'm gonna give that one a solid, I think a 4 is a good rating. I was really gonna say a 2, but I'm gonna give it a 4. If y'all go to Crumble and y'all go like around midday or like just a couple hours before the shift, and on like days that are not Saturday, and they be like, when the screen be showing sold out, don't believe they're sold out. They're actually not sold out. They're just too lazy to make more cookies. And today when I went there, I saw sold out, and it was a maple cinnamon roll, and I'm like, in my head it's like 8 o'clock, y'all close to 12, like y'all not sold out. And last time when I went, and not previously, but there was a time that I went, it said sold out, but there was like, honestly, we just don't want to make cookies. Like, honestly, like, we just haven't made the cookies yet. But I couldn't wait because the Uber was there. Point is, if it says sold out, they're most likely not sold out. They're just not trying to make a new batch. Just ask them, is it sold out, or is it like, how long is it wait for another batch? It should be like 10-15 minutes. So yeah, I don't know why I said that, but I'm talking so much. It's probably because I've been slacking on y'all, and I just want to give y'all the good sauce. The one I'm not excited for though is the pumpkin pie. The pumpkin pie looks really nasty, but as y'all know, I've been liking pumpkin lately, so I don't know if it just look like throw up and whipped cream. But this is not the one we're gonna be eating yet. So we're gonna be eating this one. This is the cranberry. I don't know which is this one. Something with cranberry. And yeah. My rating is gonna be, I think it's gonna be like a 6, because I'm not a crazy fan of cranberry. That bite didn't have much cranberry. I'm gonna take another one so I can actually taste the cranberry, so I can get the full effect. This cookie is weird. I mostly taste the white chocolate. The cookie base is really good. Like the cookie is crunchy on top, like soft in the middle. I mostly taste white chocolate. I don't really taste cranberry, honestly. So it kind of boosts up my rating a little bit because I'm not a crazy big fan of cranberry. Not really one of white chocolate either, but it just tastes better than cranberry. I don't know, this cookie really didn't give me a burst of flavor like how I expected it to. I think they should have done like a cranberry jam, like, and they just like burst in the middle. That would be really cool. Point is, I'm gonna give this one a 6 out of 10, so my prediction was correct if I'm not bugging. I ain't gonna lie, 2 cookies in and my stomach fake turning. And you gotta drink water when you're doing any kind of review. Best water on earth. While you're doing a review, you have to do water, because I feel like if you're not drinking water in between and I can't visibly see you drinking water in between, I just feel like you're lying to me on the review, because how are you gonna have 6 different cookies but the same flavor in your mouth? You better rinse it out with water. Bon appetit. Which one shall we try next? Okay, hopefully this is good. One, I waited 15 to 10 minutes, so this is, it's really crumbly. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, how y'all can see it, it's about to break. This one, I think this is gonna be a 8 out of 10. That was the maple cinnamon roll, and honestly, it just was too like mapley for me. Like it had too much, it just tasted like syrup. It didn't feel like it was cooked all the way. Like it was like crumbly my fingers. Like it was in the cookie base, it just felt crumbly. I didn't really like that one. I'm not gonna lie, we 3 cookies in and these cookies are 0 for 3. I'm gonna give that one a solid 4. I didn't like that one. Next one we got is this caramel cookie. And I think this one's gonna be a 7 because it has a lot of cheesecake frosting. I think it's cheesecake. No, the cheesecake frosting, I said cheesecake, I think it's cream cheese frosting, tasted like bad milk or like rotten yogurt or whatever. Like I don't like that taste. That was a no for me. My rating is a 2 out of 10. The cookie was way too hard for my liking. I was better off not giving y'all a review this week. This is an out week. This is a really bad week. Is it as bad as the pink week? I don't know. The pink week just tasted fake. This one, I don't know. At this point, is this our last crumble review together? Comment down below if y'all want me to stop the crumble reviews, because that's nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. The chocolate sprinkle, and it looks just like the Minion sprinkle, the Minion ones they had, but it's just chocolate. This has looking like, I feel like I cannot go wrong with this one. It's chocolate and sprinkles. Like I can't go wrong with this, like at all. Hope not. I'm not gonna lie, this made my stomach hurt. Fuck. And I did not take big bites either. Like one stomach ache to another. Okay. Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. It sounds like a brownie. The cookie is good. It's fluffy. I can literally see the inside. It's fluffy. It tastes just like a brownie. Like, this is like a brownie cookie, really honestly. Like, really honestly. It tastes just like a brownie. I really like this cookie. It's very soft on the inside. It's... and far, that was my lips. But this is definitely the best one. I didn't give this a previous rating because I didn't really have high hopes. I feel like my previous rating one has definitely been a 6 out of 10 because of the sprinkles and shit like that. But my rating now after trying it is definitely a 9. 9.5. This is good. It's just like a brownie. Brownies have my heart for life. Ooh, these cookies are gonna send me to the bathroom. My stomach acting real bad right now. Last but not least, this nasty ass pumpkin pie. It looks hideous. It looks disgusting. Are we gonna eat it? Yes. Are we gonna like it? Maybe. I can't believe this cookie lineup is 1 out of 5 this week. Like, shame on you, Crumble. Shame on fucking you. This pumpkin pie, I don't think I can twist it for y'all because it's already breaking. Like, it literally just broke me trying to pick it up. Oh my gosh, this looks so bad. The pumpkin pie. I can't really see it because I broke in half. I think this was gonna be 5.5. Hold on, baby. Yo, make sure y'all eat y'all cookies in the nearest bathroom. This got my stomach hurting. Or am I getting old and I can't handle sweets the way I used to? Look it. That wasn't bad. I made that face because that wasn't bad, honestly. I made that face because I didn't like the texture. The texture from the actual apple pie, I'm gonna show you because I don't think it will break. The texture from the actual apple pie, as y'all can see, is like a puree, but the puree it's just like, nah, I don't know how to describe it. Like, I don't want to say, because people be like, oh, puree, like a puree is supposed to be like that, but I didn't like the texture. It threw me off. Plus, I'm someone who used to play with mashed potatoes in their mouth, so it just felt like Play-Doh. Not Play-Doh, but like playable food. I didn't like the texture. It does leave a weird aftertaste in your mouth, the whipped cream. A very weird aftertaste. The pumpkin wasn't that bad. It was just the texture that threw me off. So I'm gonna give that a solid 6 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I regret doing this week lineup. I was like better off not giving y'all a video. Deadass. It's okay because I got y'all, have y'all saving y'all bucks and not waste them. This week lineup, oh my god, that taste is so bad in my mouth. The only cookie I should get is the chocolate sprinkles, honestly. I'm gonna do this part of the video of what I think, how, if you was to like it, why would you like it? I don't know why I feel like talking so much today, but okay, how can I feel cute? So the berry crunch, you're gonna like that if you're disgusting. Cranberry white chocolate, whatever, you're gonna like that one if you're really into white chocolate. You're gonna love that cookie. The maple cinnamon roll, if you're a cereal person, you're gonna like that one because that's exactly what it tastes like. Pumpkin pie, if you like puree texture in your mouth, you're gonna like that one. Caramel cheesecake, I think it is. If you like that one, you're just a disgusting ass person. Not for real. If you like that one, then you're really into like cheesecake frosting that you can taste the milk, like rotten milk, because I feel like yogurt tastes like rotten milk. But yeah, if you're into like really cream cheese, I feel like you're really gonna like. Not I'm into cream cheese though. Cheesecake. If you're into cheesecake, you're gonna like that one. Maybe, because I just didn't like this. I didn't like the flavor of the rotten milk. Like, I don't like that. It tastes like fucking yogurt. And for the chocolate sprinkles, you're gonna love that cookie. If you're a chocolate lover, brownie lover, you're gonna love that cookie. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my motherfucking channel. So I am dropping a video. I don't know if I'm gonna drop it this week, because I said that last week. I said last crumb review I was gonna drop a video of like selling food and shit like that. And yeah, I did record it. I'm not gonna lie, I really did record it, but I haven't posted it yet because my life been just hectic. So I haven't posted it yet, but I did record the video, and I'm most likely gonna drop it either this week. If I don't drop it this week, you're definitely gonna get it before December 1st. December 1st, not before, December 1st. I don't know. I just want to give y'all an update on my social medias, because I'm gonna do this every single time I post. I'm gonna give y'all an update. Yes, I follow Carla and KB, and they just moved to their new apartment, and their new apartment look dumb nice. I wish they would give a tour. Let's look at their page. They probably, that's what probably was the announcement on YouTube today. Okay. So I'm gonna give you an update every single time I post on my social media. So make sure y'all follow me there and tune in with y'all girl. So we got 6,322 on, let me put my brightness up. 6,322 on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. And if you're a brand, collab with your girl. On Pinterest, please get me to 250 followers on Pinterest. Like, stop sleeping on y'all girl for real. I have 134 on, I want to say K, not yet, 134 followers on Pinterest. Make sure y'all follow me there. I have cool ass pins. Like, my pins are so freaking cool. I be really on this shit heavy. I be manifesting in that, motivation, birthday ideas, all of that. Check out my Pinterest. I got y'all. So on Facebook, make sure y'all like me on Facebook. It is, I would say it's Germany Ramos. Why am I saying my government for? Germany Loves Food on all social media platforms. Don't forget that. And make sure y'all follow me. This is the followers update. About this social media. YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ew. If y'all don't know why I said ew, it's because I'm a big fan of DDG, and look what his thumbnail is. Like, what? I know he definitely photoshopped that, but that looks so freaking weird. On YouTube, I'm 6 subscribers away from hitting 300 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're viewing this, don't just be a viewer, tune in with the channel. So we had 294 subscribers. And then, what other social medias I have? I be having so many social medias. I did Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I cannot forget TikTok. Ooh, my stomach hurt. I just had to do that. On TikTok, I have 678 followers. Make sure you tune in my page. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And make sure you follow the journey with your girl. Comment down below to tune into a conversation. Let's talk. Talk to me. Send me food ideas. Send me ideas for YouTube. Just send them to me through Instagram. I check all my DMs. So send me ideas which I want to see. Happy Thanksgiving if I don't upload this. Thanksgiving's gonna be tomorrow, because I'm uploading on Wednesday. So happy Thanksgiving. So thankful for y'all. Thank you for following me. Thank you for supporting your girl. And thank you for everything. We finna be up, because if I'm up, y'all up. And them giveaways is gonna be crazy. I love y'all.